Welcome to this step-by-step guide designed to help you resolve the issue of Amazon orders not appearing on your account. In this easy to follow tutorial, we will walk through the process using clear instructions that should have your orders showing in no time. The entire procedure typically takes around 5 minutes, and by the end of it you will have a better understanding of how to navigate the Amazon website to view your order history correctly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and enter the website address for the well-known online retailer. Once you have reached the home page, take a moment to ensure that the web page loads completely and that you are on the official site. This is an important first step to guarantee that the troubleshooting process is applied to your genuine account and not on a similar looking page. When you see the familiar layout and menu options, you are ready to proceed further. Next, locate the section labeled Account and Lists. This option is conveniently situated near the top of the page and it offers a variety of account management tools. By clicking on this section, you will dive into a menu that provides various account-related features, including your order history, personalized recommendations, and settings. Here it is essential to be precise in your selection to ensure that you are guided towards the relevant account details. Navigating to this part of the website lays the foundation for addressing the order display issue. Following your selection of account and lists, the next action is to click on the option titled Your Orders. This step is critical as it directs you to the page where all of your past and current orders are stored. Give your cursor a moment to hover over the orders area and ensure that you click carefully since this page is the primary repository for your order tracking information. By accessing this page, you are now in the right location to inspect and manage your order records. Upon arriving on the orders page, you should notice that at the top of this page there is a section that provides a range of options for filtering and customizing your order view. In this next part of the process, you will change the section labeled Orders. Although this step might seem straightforward, it plays a vital role in ensuring that the correct order details are visible. The adjustment might involve selecting a different time range or viewing a specific category of orders, so observe the available options carefully. Make the necessary adjustments as guided by the website's interface. This action will refresh the order list to display the intended results. By following these careful instructions in order, you should be able to resolve any issues with your Amazon orders not appearing. With a little patience and a clear focus on each step, the process is both quick and effective. Thank you for listening and enjoy the renewed ease of managing and viewing your orders on Amazon.